We're Immobiliser Fit, and today we're down at Kia Enfield protecting this Kia EV6 that was actually stolen and recovered. It's been in for repair and the customer wants it secured before they take it home. So if a thief got the key this time, went to steal the vehicle, they're going to start it up. When they put it in gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. And if the customer's not around, they're going to know because their phone's going to give them a call. Tell them someone's in the vehicle, messing around with it, trying to steal it. As you see, they're going to know if they're in the house or if the car's parked around the corner, the phone's going to ring. If it's the customer, they can choose from starting the car, putting a code in. So for now, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, but that can be changed. Hear a disarm tone and drive away. No phone call, vehicle doesn't stall out. Or the simplest way, the way people prefer, is we'll turn the Bluetooth on the customer's connected phone. And next time they hop in the vehicle, they can just start it up and drive away. They hear that tone straight away, no need to do the code, and the vehicle's good to go, no phone calls. If this is coming back to Kia for service, you want to turn the whole system off, they can do so within the app or with the button. So we go into the Starline app. Green means it's protected, so if we press and hold on here, it's going to spin round. When it goes to yellow, we'll let go. This is now a normal vehicle, no code, no phone calls. Just hand Kia the keys, they can service it, road test it, do what they need to do. It's going to be a normal vehicle. When you get it home, remember to turn the system back on by pressing and holding on here till it goes to green. When it does, we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps and the vehicle's secure again. This is the Halo Connect on a 2022 Kia EV6. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.